Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, we're gonna be looking at the super awesome 1/18 scale Chrysler Imperial Lebaron, and that is by brand BOS Models, guys. And yeah, guys, this is a really dope one here. I feel like you guys are really gonna just like the detail of this one. I would easily say that this is one of BOS Models' best models to date. Now, one thing about me, I'm not really the biggest Chrysler fan. I mean, I am, but like not to the point where I will collect a lot of their models, but they do have a few models that I do like, and you guys do see the Chrysler 300s. I've always been a fan of the Chrysler 300, the newer models and the older models as well. But yeah, guys, this is pretty much what you see in the box. You know, you got the Chrysler Imperial Lebaron as well as with the item number from BOS. Comes in this bag that had that sticker you guys just saw. And then the box itself, you know, it also contains, you know, the usual stuff, just stating how this is not a toy and to just keep it away from sunlight. And yeah, guys, one thing I did notice, it does come in this not the usual type of foam enclosure we used to seeing from BOS. I guess is, you know, due in part because of the shape of the car, and you know, I guess, yeah, that's pretty much what I would attribute it to. But yeah, it comes in this type of foam enclosure with those two like air pockets, you know, on that top piece as you guys just saw. And then it comes wrapped in this kind of like plastic bag, and inside the plastic bag then you have this, you know, non-abrasive, you know, paper that you see on models. You also do see in a Ziploc the spare Chrysler hood ornament, you know, which is always really cool to see when BOS does include a spare one for your models, you know. I try to be very careful with my hood ornaments, but you never know what could happen, you know. I've yet to break one. Alright, guys, let's go ahead and take a look at the side. And as you guys can see, this car is just long. It looks almost like a boat. Check out that red, you know, Imperial badge on the back by the rear fin. Really nice touch there. You also got this superb quality license plate right there in the front. Definitely not no sticker. Looks very realistic. But yeah, guys, now that we got this model fully unboxed, we're gonna go ahead and dive right in, and we're gonna go ahead and start with the front. As you guys can see, just a really awesome hood ornament. Then you got that waterfall grille. This car is known as the car that is known for the waterfall grille, by the way. And yeah, guys, just love the real covers on the back. Just really nice. Just adds to that boat look. And then check out the Imperial, you know, Chrysler Lebaron badge on the back. Really dope. You got the nice shiny chrome bumper. Extremely shiny bumper. Looks very realistic. And I also do love the actual finish of the paint. I mean, you could say it almost looks champagne gold, but it's really just pure, you know, gold colored, really, at the end of the day. Alright, guys, as far as the car, you know, being that their BOS models do roll quite nicely, this one is no exception. And this one does roll quite nicely as well. We're gonna go ahead and roll it back a little bit. I do love the front of this car, by the way, guys. It's just such an awesome, like, just unavoidable attention grabbing grill, you know. And again, just gotta love that waterfall grill, guys. Again, we don't really see that at all in no other car, only on this Chrysler Imperial Lebaron, you know. And like I said, I'm not too fond of trying to have every single Chrysler. But yeah, this was one that definitely was at the very top of my list of things that I did not want to like miss out on, because, you know, I did get the item at an awesome price, and I do see this doubling, tripling in price for sure in the future, just because of, even though it is a Chrysler Lebaron, it's almost like very Rolls Royce-ish, you know. It has a very Rolls Royce type of look. And alright, guys, we're gonna go ahead and take a close look. If you guys can see, the actual Imperial 3D photo etch lettering right there on that left headlight cover. Really awesome. You know, again, the size and the sheer like detail of some of the lettering and some of the little, you know, things here and there on this model are really quite magnificent. And like I said, my hat's off to the brand Best of Show. This one here is just superb. You know, just really awesome, guys. I mean, it's almost like it looks so much like the real car. It's just incredible. I'm just running it a little bit forward. It does have like an antenna, but the antenna is in completely down position. That's how it comes from factory. Yeah, guys, just a really nice long boat of a car. This car is very long, guys. Alright, guys, now we're gonna go ahead and take a look at the back. And as you guys can see, you got a beautiful rear bumper. You got, you know, dual exhaust in the back. Check out the detail on just that small little brake light on the back. And you know, once again, we got that Chrysler Imperial Lebaron badge right there in red. I really love the handles. However, I really wish that that silver trimming around the windows and the side doors would have been chrome as well. Alright, guys, now we're gonna go ahead and take a look at the interior. And I gotta tell you guys, BOS models are not known for their super awesome interiors like AUTOArt or Kyosho, but however, on this one, I really like what I see. Now, yes, once again, BOS, you guys could add carpet, but I really do love the detailing going on throughout the interior of this one. I mean, very detailed, down from the actual linings of the air conditioner vents to even the small little panels that have wood. You know, just really awesome. So I would say in an interior, this would be a 9 out of 10. It's funny because it's an old school car, but yet it's such an awesome looking old school car that you can park this right next to more modern cars, and it's not like it just looks out of place. Like, not at all. This thing, if anything, it's enhancing the modern cars. It's making the modern cars look like it's in some kind of like different type of Rolls Royce, you know, or something. I mean, and that's what this waterfall grill on this car reminds me of. Now, one thing I did not want to forget to mention, guys, don't really see no windshield wipers. Reminds me of the BOS 1982 Cadillac Fleetwood. You guys mentioned to me, you know, how there's no windshield wipers because they auto retract in real life. So maybe that's the case in this one. And yeah, guys, super pristine, you know, angles and just sharpness in the look of this one, guys. It's just, again, like looking at this car and this, you know, on this scale and just with this kind of craftsmanship, as far as like the, you know, the detailing after being downscale from the, obviously the 1/1 scale, 1/1 scale meaning the one in real life. Like, no joke, it almost look, if I look at this car too much, it's literally gonna make me want to get online and look at the prices of pre-owned one, even if of course I don't end up buying one, just because I'm just looking at this and just thinking, wow, you know, this old school, look at how awesome that looks, especially how it sits right next to the 1982 Fleetwood Cadillac, as well as my, you know, 1973, you know, white BOS Cadillac Eldorado. I mean, just awesome. Once again, guys, just, you know, really awesome car altogether, from front to back to front, side lights, you know. Again, I'm trying to pick flaws on here. Yes, nothing opens, but if you're familiar with BOS brands, that ain't nothing new. We're used to it. We still like their models. Let's take a look at the wheels right quick, guys. Really nice white wall tires on this. It feels like these tires are actually rubber, guys. Not something that I'm used to seeing on BOS models, but yeah, these tires are actually rubber. And wheels are actually chrome. There's no real logos or anything on the hubcaps of the wheels. Maybe that's how it is in real life, so I don't know. Maybe we need to, you know, look into that to see maybe if that's an inaccuracy, or in fact if BOS, which I believe they still are, you know, accurate about the way they detail the car. So maybe just don't, there's no logo on those wheel caps. Alright guys, so now we're gonna go ahead and compare right next to some other BOS models. So to the left we got the 1982 Cadillac Fleetwood Brougham, and then to the right we got the 1973 Cadillac Eldorado Bicentennial. But yeah guys, as we're looking at them from the top, as you guys can see, it's almost like the Chrysler Imperial Lebaron is just a slightly bit longer than the Eldorado, and it's almost like neck to neck with the Fleetwood, with the 1982 Fleetwood Brougham. So yeah guys, we definitely got a big boat of a car, and I would say it's neck to neck with the Fleetwood really, because of the Fleetwood fins that kind of stand out more really than the trunk does. So in technicality, definitely the Imperial Lebaron is actually slightly longer, you know, but yeah, definitely sits really nice right next to these, regardless of its length and its sheer, like, you know, volume and size. So in conclusion guys, the 1/18 scale Chrysler Imperial Lebaron by the brand BOS models in color gold is actually just an awesome addition to my collection. I mean, you guys just take a look at how crispy it looks. Just awesome detailing, looks amazing right next to their other models too. And yeah guys, I was quite taken back. I didn't know what to expect with this model. The pictures that I saw when I bought it were quite stock, but really glad I pulled the plug and I bought it, because it's just a classic and is a dope one guys, trust on that. Alright guys, that's gonna go ahead and do it for this one. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please do make sure to slap a like and subscribe to the channel if you're new. Make sure you turn notifications on so you don't miss any of my future uploads. Hope you guys are having an awesome day out there. And with that one, I'm outie guys. Peace!